Right now on 12 News at 6, our big story, the battle over abortion in Arizona. Attorney General Mark Brnovich asked a court today to let the state's 158-year-old ban on abortion take effect. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mark Curtis.
And I'm Kariba Devine. A judge's approval could be the final step in allowing Arizona prosecutors to enforce the U.S. Supreme Court's ruling last month that struck down a woman's right to an abortion.
Team 12's Bram Resnick explains why Brnovich went to court and has reaction from the state's largest abortion services provider.
We've been waiting a few weeks for Mark Brnovich to take this step. Virtually every abortion provider in the state has shut down because the law isn't clear. Brnovich says the 158-year-old abortion ban should take effect, but he's going to face a fight. The U.S. Supreme Court ruling last month striking down Roe v. Wade wasn't the last word on banning abortion in Arizona.
It's also just such a gray area, and I think people are afraid. People are afraid of, being jailed.
Arizona has had an abortion ban on the books since the first territorial legislature met in 1864. The only exception was to save a woman's life. The law would put abortion providers in jail.
Nobody's dodging this question. It is extremely complicated.
But Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell and other prosecutors still had questions about what the law was after Roe. Because 49 years ago, when the Supreme Court initially affirmed a woman's right to an abortion, a Pima County court put the Civil War-era ban on hold. Now, Republican Attorney General Mark Brnovich, also a candidate for the U.S. Senate, says he wants to clarify the law. So he's asking that same Pima County court to allow the 158-year-old abortion ban to take effect again. But Brnovich is in for a fight.
We're not going to stop fighting for our patients and communities, ever. And so Mark Brnovich will definitely see us in court.
Planned Parenthood of Arizona Chief Executive Brittany Fontenot made that pledge 10 days ago. On Wednesday, the state's largest abortion services provider said it was following through. Attorney General Brnovich has proven once again that he's out of touch with the majority of Arizonans who support safe and legal abortion. We will explain to the court why it should deny the Attorney General's latest attempt to play politics with people's lives. In Phoenix, Bram Resnick, 12 News.
All right, Bram, thank you.